Hi guys, it's Shari Varshne, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Lenovo Smart Display. As you can see right here, I just got a deal from Best Buy for roughly around $150, and it's good. It's a recent competitor against Google's Smart Home Hub. But I wanted this, that's why I have it. Plus it also has Google. It has Google inside it, so Google Assistant built in. And then as you can see, just like it has YouTube, Spotify, Google Photos, Nest, and then it has Chromecast and it has Duo. Just if you want to call anyone. The model we're going to be opening today is a 8-inch, and it's just the basic color, gray. So, and yeah, let's just start opening this. So I just opened the plastic, and now I'm going to open this. So now we're really talking about stuff here. And yeah, so we just have to peel this open. Okay, so I opened that, and yeah. So I'm just gonna open it and see where to open it from. Then I'm gonna go into it. So now, I'm gonna open this. Da-da-da-da-da. I got the package. Boy, this is humongous. Let's keep that aside where it's supposed to be. Let's just look at these stuff. Here's the warranty. This warranty guide is in English. So this just tells about the Google Assistant. Get the Google Home app, set it up, put it in its power adapter. The power adapter goes somewhere in your house. Maybe in the kitchen, maybe in the bathroom. I don't know. So this is just the warranty thing. And then this is the adapter. So this adapter, it has the charger and everything else. Here is it. So the adapter and the wires, yeah, you don't need it. Anyway, let's just open this. I'm so excited to. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. And it's right here, I think. Oh, snap. We got the Lenovo Smart Display. Made by Lenovo, and it has such big display. Here it is, the Lenovo Smart Display 8-inch. So I was talking about how the Google Home Hub, how it's competing with it. So the Google Home Hub roughly has 7 inches. And the Lenovo Smart Display, it can go until 8 inches or 10 inches. This is the 8-inch one, as I told you. So now, I think this is just the power button, or something at least. And these are the speakers. So these are the other power buttons here. And yeah, these are the other volume buttons. This is the back, a weird triangle thing. And I think that's going to be it for the video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and maybe share my video. Also, my next surprise video is a review for this Lenovo Smart Display. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and share, as I said. And click the notification bell. And yeah, that's going to be it. And namaste.